How to open Saxo Bank account. Saxo Bank is a Danish investment bank specializing in online trading and investment services, offering access to global financial markets through its platforms for stocks, forex, commodities, and other assets. To open account, go to this web page. Enter full name, email, country of residence, mobile phone number, language. At the end, check this box. Then click Continue. Then enter street name, house number, postcode, or zip number. Select your city or town. Enter your state and click Continue. Enter occupation and annual salary. Check the box and Continue. Select primary source of wealth. Then enter tax information. Then upload your document. That's it. Thanks for watching.